In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sharpen blurry photos and improve image quality using Canva AI. We'll start right in your browser. Open Canva, and once you're on the home page, either open an existing design you're working on or create a new one. If you're starting fresh, pick a canvas size that matches where your image will be used, like a social post, a presentation slide, or a custom size. This helps you judge sharpness at the final viewing size, which is important for getting a natural result. Next, bring your photo into Canva. Head to Uploads, then choose Upload Files and select your blurry image from your device. After the upload finishes, click the photo to drop it onto your design. If it lands off-center or too big, don't worry. You can reposition or resize it on the canvas at any time. With the photo selected, look for Edit Image. This opens Canva's editing tools. Find Enhance, then choose Smart Enhance. This is Canva's AI-powered tool designed to recover detail, improve clarity, and subtly clean up the image without making it look fake. You'll see sliders for sharpness and enhancement. Start with small, gradual moves. Sharpness emphasizes edges and fine detail. Enhancement works more broadly, balancing clarity across the image and often improving perceived resolution. As you adjust, keep an eye on skin textures, hair, and text, since these areas reveal over-sharpening fast. If you notice halos around edges, crunchy textures, or amplified noise and shadows, pull the sliders back a bit. The goal is a crisp, natural look rather than an overly processed one. When the image looks good, click Apply to lock in the changes. This commits your adjustments, so take a final moment to compare how it feels overall. Faces should look defined, lines should be clearer, and small details should be more readable while still looking realistic. Now preview the image in your design. Sometimes sharpening makes you notice other tweaks that can help. You might adjust brightness and contrast slightly for more punch, or tone things down if highlights pop too much after enhancement. Centering, cropping, or subtle repositioning can also improve the final presentation. If needed, you can return to Edit Image and fine-tune again until you're satisfied. And that's it. That's how you sharpen blurry photos and improve image quality using Canva AI. Thanks for watching.